Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to clear your watch history in TikTok. If you want to manage your viewing privacy or start fresh with your TikTok recommendations, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, tap on Activity Center. This section allows you to manage your TikTok activity. Step 6. Scroll down and tap on Watch History. This will bring up your watch history settings. Step 7. To clear your watch history, tap on Select. This will allow you to choose multiple watch results. Step 8. Tap on Select Every Watch Result to select all of your watch history entries. Step 9. Finally, tap on Delete to clear your watch history. This action will remove all of your selected watch results. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a personalized TikTok experience.